Make this super cute boho wreath, you'll need a circle wreath form and you'll need yarn in whatever colors you like. Then you'll take a piece of foam core or cardboard and wrap yarn around it approximately 15 times. My foam core was 18 inches, but you can use whatever size you want depending on how big you want it. Then you cut the ends of the string and get ready to start looping it around. Fold it in half, put it through the wreath, take the ends and pull them through and then pull it tight. You'll repeat this process for all the colors that you're planning to use. I used pink and white and gray, and this is how it turned out. Next, you're going to want to make some matching pom-poms for your wreath. If you've never made a pom-pom before, it's super easy. You simply wrap yarn around your hand, probably, I would say 60 to 70 times, more if your yarn is thin. Then you slide it off your hand, cut a piece of yarn, and tie it around the middle of your yarn ball. And make sure you tie it really tight and tie it a couple times so that it doesn't come loose. This is going to be what holds your pom-pom together. Then you're going to need some really sharp scissors and use them to cut all the loops of your ball. Then use your scissors to trim the pom-pom. Just keep cutting until you get the shape that you like. You'll want to make a few pom-poms. I made 5 in a couple of different colors. Then you take some yarn and tie the pom-poms to the wreath form. And then you're going to use a little bit of hot glue to secure the pom-poms to the wreath. Just want to make sure that they're nice and secure and they don't move. Then hang up your wreath and give it a little haircut. You can cut it straight across the bottom, or if you prefer, you can cut it into a V shape, which is what I did. I really like the V shape. And that's it. This is how easy it is to make this beautiful boho wreath for Valentine's Day. I hope you give it a try. If you like this project, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.